The moment you hit buy, the market drop. The second you sell, it explode upward. You think it's coincidence? No, 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 no. It's strategy. You're not losing by accident. You're being played. Yeah. Welcome to the game, because what we're dealing with here isn't just markets movement. It's manipulation. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how regular people keeps getting fooled. That word manipulation sounds big, right? But it's simple. It means people with power, money, or control move the market to trick everyone else. They make it rise when they're ready to sell. They crash it when they're ready to buy. And they do it so quietly that most small investors never even notice. But before we talk about how they play the game, we have to understand what Bitcoin really is. Because once you understand that, the trick stops working. Bitcoin isn't just another coin or a quick trade. It's money that no one can control. Not a bank, not a government, not even the richest person alive. It's digital money built on math, real unbreakable math. Only 21 million will ever exist. No one can print more. You can send it to anyone, anywhere, at any time, without asking permission. No middleman, no frozen account, no bank holiday. You know what I mean? You can't hold it on your phone or even remember it in your head. That's how powerful it is. It's the first time in history that people, not bank, own their money completely. That's freedom in digital form, my friend. And that's why manipulation happened, because something this powerful scares the old system. It's not Bitcoin's being fake. It's the system around it trying to shake you out. Let's break it down how they do it. And I'm going to break it down step by step for you. So step one, fake numbers. A few years ago, big studies showed that a lot of the trading happened on some exchanges wasn't even real. People were just buying and selling to themselves, called wash trading. It made it look like everyone was busy buying Bitcoin, when really it was just fake activities to make small investors jump in. They trick you into thinking there's a rush, then they sell while you're buying it. Step two, broken apps. You've seen this before. Bitcoin moving fast, you rush to trade, and your exchange freeze. The app crash. Your balance says zero. You panic. Meanwhile, the big players keep trading quietly in the background. When you finally get access again, the price was already flipped. Step three, the leverage trap. This one hits people the hardest. Leverage is when you borrow monies to make a bigger trade. You 10x leverage and the price moves just a little against you. Boom, you're wiped out. When too many people takes the same side, the market knows it. It moves just enough to liquidate them. That calls a liquidation cascade. And it's brutal, guys. Billions vanish in minutes. And small traders call it manipulations, but it's really math mixed it with greed. Step four, the old trick. You'll hear OI a lot. That means open interest. It's just a fancy way. It's just a fancy way to say how many bets are still open in the market. If open interest is high, that means lots of people are gambling with leverage. And when everyone leans to one side, say betting the price will rise, the boat tips over. So when open interest climbs too much, smart investor step back because they know a big swing's coming. 5, the option magnet. Another market trick is called max pain. That's the price where the most trading contracts expire worthless. When expiration date comes near, the price often drifts right towards the number, almost like a magnet pull it in. Not always manipulation. Sometimes it's just hatching math. But it sure feels like magic if you're on the wrong side of it. 6. Big wallets and stablecoin. Here's the part most people don't see. When big players wants to buy, they let fear spread first. They dump stablecoins like Tether into the market right after everyone sold in panic. Then quietly, they buy up the cheap Bitcoin. It's a simple rhythm. Scares the crowd, crash the price, buy the dip, then sell it higher when everyone feels safe again. That's not an accident, that is strategy. And here's another one, how the market player moves Bitcoin price. So how do these big players, the market's maker, and Wells actually makes the price go ups and down? Let's keep it simple. Imagine the market's like a big ocean. The small investor are the fish, and the whales are, well, the whales. They are huge, and when they move, the water moves with them. Whales and market makers don't buy or sell randomly. They use liquidity. Liquidity is just how much money and how many orders sit on the market waiting to be filled. If they see a tons of buy orders sitting under the price, they can dump. They can dump a bunch of Bitcoins all at once, smash through those orders, and make it look like the market's crashing. That triggers stop loss order. People panic, and price fall even more. Then they quietly start buying again at the bottom. The same trick works the other way. When they want the price to go up, they start slowly buying over and over again, pushing price up just enough to grab attention. Retail traders see it, FOMO kicks in, and everyone's pile in. Then, when it's nice and high, the whales sell some of their holding to those eager buyers. Market makers do it too, just in smaller waves. They constantly place both buy and sell orders to keep the markets moving, but they can tell it's one way if they want to. If they remove some of their buy orders, the price drops faster. If they pull away the sell walls, price shoot up quicker. That's why sometimes you'll see a sudden pumps and dumps that doesn't match any news. It's not random. It's liquidities being used like a tool to move emotion. In short, to push the price down, Wells dumps into weak buys walls, cause panic, and buy back lower. To push the price up, they accumulate slowly, build FOMO, and sell into excitement. This is how they shake coins from impatient hands to strong ones. It's not magic. It's math, money, and emotion working together. Now, let's talk about how you can protect yourself. Rule number 1, keep your Bitcoin in your own wallet. If your app crashes or your exchange freezes, you're stuck. When you hold your own keys, you're the bank. No one can block, freeze, or steal it. Rule number 2, forget leverage. If you can't handle being wrong without losing everything, you're gambling, not investing. Leverage is how the markets take coins from impatient people. Rule number 3, watch the pattern. When everyone's shouting Bitcoins to the moon, that's when you should breathe and wait. If you see high open interest and everyone betting the same direction, that you're warning. It's too crowded. Rule number 4, being boring. Seriously, the best investor are boring. They buy slowly, they hold quietly. They don't chase green candles or panic on red ones. Rule number 5, remember, Bitcoin is the clean part. The manipulation happens in the marketplaces around it, not in Bitcoin itself. The Bitcoin's network never lies. It never shut down. It never changes the rules for anyone. Here's the story. During one crash, billions in leverage bets got wiped out. People panicked and called Bitcoins a scam. But while they were freaking out, calm buyers quietly bought more. Weeks later, guess what? The price was back and up. And those patient buyers, looks like genius. That's the reason Bitcoins reward patience and punish panic. If you want to survive Bitcoin's manipulation, remember this. Don't borrow to trade. Don't try to time every move. Keep stacking what you can afford. And never let fear make your decision. Because the market feeds on emotion. When you panic, you lose. When you stay calm, you win. And one more thing. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm just showing you how the game works. So you don't get played. All right? If this helped you understand what's really going on, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want more truth about Bitcoin without the hype or fear. Because at the end of the day, Bitcoins cannot be manipulated forever. Only people can. And once people stop falling for the tricks, the game's end. Simple as that. The future belongs to those who pay attention early. And you're one of them. Stack with purpose. With that said, my friend, don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. I will see you in a bit. Take care.